Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help fight against acne-causing bacteria. As we age, our skin expands and contracts like an elastic, which is why our skin gets affected very easily. Apply aloe vera gel because it has a lot of benefits. Rub aloe vera gel on your face. Use your hands to apply the aloe vera juice onto your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes until it dries. Rinse, peel the aloe vera mask off your face and wash your face with water. Pat dry using a clean towel. Do this almost twice a week and your face will always glow. Aloe vera also helps you reduce stretch marks. So to reduce stretch marks, use aloe vera gel on a daily basis. Aloe vera gel also helps to treat existing pimples. So aloe vera gel is a magic plant that can be used on a daily basis for great skin and for amazing glow.